Hey everyone, welcome back to another Path of Excel 2 market analysis video. So first off, if you're totally new to this kind of topic or to these videos, or you simply want to have no hassle at all while investing while having your currency invested and having it grow over time, I highly recommend that you check out our Discord server in the video description, where you'll find if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the fund info channel, where we have a couple of different things explained, but especially the fund, which basically works like a real ETF, like a managed ETF would work in real life. You give us your currency, and then we invest it for you, and we grow it in value, and you can then withdraw anytime, and you simply pay a 3% withdrawal fee and a 2% fee on the profits only. And of course, if you withdraw within the first 24 hours of your deposit, you will get exactly back what you put into the fund, right? If you invested 100 divines, then you are going to get 100 divines back in the first 24 hours when you change your mind. So yeah, just to have that at the back of your mind, you can consider, if you want to consider that, go ahead and join the Discord server in the video description. We also have a couple of other very interesting things right here. I recommend that you read through the welcome channel first, and that you then go on to the fund info channel, and that you then you get all of these different systems, how they work, because we also have a site where we're basically buying your items and stuff. So that would be the bulk item pooling thing that you can see right here. Yeah, it's all very interesting stuff, and there's going to be more videos on it. So yeah, check that out if you're interested. So let's get started with the analysis. So if we look at the data, this is a data sheet that I have made. You can also download that in the video description as well. And I recommend though that you open it with Excel, otherwise you won't see these graphs. And right here you can also see the fund and how much it grows in this tab, and how much investors are making, or how much they can withdraw right now, right? These are all of the investor wallets. So yeah, this is a very interesting Excel document because it shows us two different things. That is the short-term development graph and the long-term development graph. And if we look at the short-term development graph, we can see a couple of different interesting things. So omens are going absolutely through the roof. So after the week had ended and there was a lot of panic selling, they went absolutely through the roof. They increased so much in price. There was a lot of profit. So all of the losses that have been made by the patch, you can also see that in the investor wallets that we made. Right when the patch came out, we lost around 8% and or 7.65%, and then the total fund value changed 0%, and now we're already kind of back at the starting line or even over it, right? So yeah, let's look at the data again. Sorry, and if we now want to see what kind of developments will be happening in the future, there's one interesting thing. So first of all of these omens, they are going to drop in value again, because right now these values, these omens, especially the omen of sinister erasure, which is going in the down curve again, right? It's losing its momentum. It's going to go below the 100% line again. It's going to go drop, which is also aligning with the patch. So for now, we basically buy no omens. If you're feeling really lucky, you could buy the Dextral Null, though I don't recommend it really. So yeah, and if you look at the rest right here and down here, you can see that, for example, the mirror has had a lot of these price hikes, right? And if mirror increases in price, that usually means that all the other currency like divines, chaos also increase in price. And as long as the mirror increases in price like that, we are going to keep some mirrors. So if we look at the fund right now, the fund has 2 mirrors and mostly divine. So Right now we are kind of in a consolidating period for omens. We are waiting until there's another opportunity where omens are undervalued to make a lot of profit again. So yeah, there's a few other interesting developments in the long-term development graph. I mean, of course, the chaos is still the best currency inside the game to hold for a long time. That's also quite because the chaos that you see right here, it's measured in relation to exalts, right? Because otherwise we won't get the right currency ratios between divines and chaos. We cannot see how they interfere with each other, right? So that's why it's also always increasing in price and it has the highest score. But nonetheless, even if this is kind of inflated a bit, chaos still is one of the best. So in the next document, for example, we'll have another line right here where it will be chaos to divine. I'm just setting that up now and we don't have enough data points for that yet, right? You can see chaos to divine and we have all of these data points, but it's not quite enough to draw a proper graph. So yeah, that's about it for today. I hope the information has not been too confusing. If you have any questions, of course, you can ask me on the Discord server in Ask Me PO Economics. Check out the fund. Check out our item pooling. We have also made this this website, which I also want to show you for a bit, maybe, where you can see what kind of items we are buying and what their instant sell prices would be for you. So what you'd get if you'd instant sell them to us. And then we also have all of these items linked in item links. Yeah, we got a lot of interesting stuff on the Discord. So go ahead and check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And that's it for today.